Welcome back to Health is Wealth, where we explore natural remedies and wellness tips to help you live your healthiest life. Today, we're diving into the incredible benefits of drinking fennel water. A simple yet powerful elixir that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Fennel, with its delicate, licorice-like flavor, is not just a culinary delight but also a treasure trove of health benefits. When consumed as fennel water, its potency is even more pronounced, making it a must-have addition to your daily routine. Let's explore some of the amazing benefits of this herbal infusion. First, digestive aid. Fennel water is believed to be beneficial for digestion due to its ability to stimulate the production of gastric enzymes. These enzymes are essential for breaking down food in the stomach, which can improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Additionally, fennel water may help reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion, making it a popular remedy for digestive issues. Aids weight loss. Fennel water is sometimes used as a weight loss aid due to its potential to suppress appetite and improve metabolism. The fiber content in fennel can help you feel full, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, improving metabolism can help your body burn calories more efficiently, potentially aiding in weight loss efforts. Improves heart health. Fennel is rich in fiber, potassium, and other heart-healthy nutrients. Fiber helps lower cholesterol levels, while potassium helps regulate blood pressure. By including fennel in your diet, you may be able to reduce the risk of heart disease. By improving these key markers of heart health, regulates blood sugar. Some research indicates that fennel may help regulate blood sugar levels, which could be beneficial for people with diabetes. By stabilizing blood sugar levels, fennel may help prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar, which can be harmful to overall health, especially for those with diabetes. Promotes healthy skin. Fennel water is sometimes used topically to improve skin health, and consuming it may also benefit the skin due to its antioxidant properties. Antioxidants help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to premature aging and skin damage. Drinking fennel water or using it topically may help promote healthy, glowing skin. Alleviates constipation. The fiber content in fennel may help promote regular bowel movements and alleviate constipation. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, making it easier to pass, and helps keep the digestive system moving smoothly. Including fennel in your diet may help prevent or relieve constipation. May improve sleep. Some people believe that fennel water can help promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. While scientific evidence is limited in this area, fennel's calming properties may help relax the body and mind, potentially aiding in better sleep. May reduce cancer risk. Fennel contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. These compounds can help protect cells from damage and reduce inflammation, which are factors that can contribute to cancer development. However, more research is needed to fully understand the role of fennel in cancer prevention. Supports healthy hair. Fennel contains nutrients like iron and zinc, which are important for healthy hair growth. Iron helps in the production of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen to hair follicles, while zinc plays a role in hair tissue growth and repair. Including fennel in your diet may help promote healthy hair and prevent hair loss. Natural breath freshener. Chewing on fennel seeds or drinking fennel water after meals can help freshen breath. Fennel's antimicrobial properties may help combat bacteria in the mouth that can cause bad breath. Additionally, fennel's digestive properties may aid in digestion, reducing the likelihood of digestive issues that can contribute to bad breath. Relieves menstrual symptoms. Fennel is believed to help reduce menstrual symptoms such as cramps and bloating due to its anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties. These properties may help relax muscles in the uterus and reduce inflammation, potentially alleviating discomfort during menstruation. Now, let's talk about how you can incorporate fennel water into your daily routine. One simple way is to soak a teaspoon of fennel seeds in a glass of water overnight, and drink it in the morning on an empty stomach. So, there you have it. The amazing benefits of drinking fennel water. Incorporate this natural remedy into your daily routine and experience the difference it can make to your health. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching.